the bathroom? You guys likes to clean the bathroom? I'm asking because, I have no choice. I have to clean my bathroom more often because that's where all the stinky part. So I am cleaning today, and I'm warning you, if you don't feel like watching, I'm sorry, but I am cleaning and showing you my tip of the day on what I use for cleaning. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here again for another vlog. Today is my day off day, and it's cleaning day. Now I'm gonna show you how I clean my bathroom and my tips. The tips of the day is, I know some of us here know how to clean, of course, but I'm showing you how to do my own. First, I have my gloves. If you don't have this, you can use the reusable plastic bag, grocery bag. So this is what I use if I run out of this plastic gloves. And another thing is, this is what I use for my bathroom. My cleaning household cleaner. It's called the Thieves Household Cleaner. This is a plant-based product, which is very, very nice, and it's really good, and doesn't smell harsh chemicals or nothing. It's no chemicals at all, and it smells like lemon and cinnamon and ginger and what else, eucalyptus. It's really smells good. This is what I do: clean everything in my house, even the carpet, even the car, even my clothes, my laundry clothes. Okay, when I wash my laundry clothes, I put this in there. If I have spaghetti stain or any stain in my clothes, I use this this Thieves cleaner. And all I do is I just pour this one like that in a cap hole and put it in a stain. That's all I do. And then this purification oil is smells good. It has eucalyptus and citronella and rosemary, lemongrass and lavender, and yeah, it's really good. So this is my tip for you guys. To those who knows about essential oil or doesn't know about it, to make your bathroom smell before you go deposit something, you use this one. What I do is I just pour this in the hole, and it will just simmer that, and it will last for a little long. I don't know, like maybe 15 days or something. This will help your bathroom smells good. You don't have to use those plug-ins or candles or this spray that is very toxic, and it smells good, but the thing that you use right now, it smells good, but it's very toxic. It has harmful chemicals, and this has no chemicals. It's plant-based and nothing additive or synthetic added to it. It's all plant-based, so it doesn't hurt your nose, your lungs, or anything. Yeah, because chemicals, it's not good for you, and it's not good for your lungs. It causes who knows, whatever risk to your health. Anyway, this is my tip of the day. I put essential oil in this, and I don't have to use the plug-ins or anything, candles or anything. This is what, like that. So and I use this to scrub my toilet bowl. I use this And this is not a promotion, this is not promoted, okay? So I just use that. And to put my gloves on, this. Since I have this, I use double. I use double, so you don't have to. It's very inexpensive, guys. If you use the oil, honey, this will last long. This is like 5 ml, but there is a 15 ml, and it's money saving tip because you only need to have 1 drop to make your bathroom smells good. There's something wrong in my eyes. Anyway, let's start cleaning. So, what's it? And so this has just a full of water and a cap full of Thieves household cleaner in the cap that I showed you a while ago. And using my thin eraser pad to clean. I'm just using a water. It doesn't smells bad. It's like it's not like the bleach that it's really smells bad. And it still works the same as the bleach, guys. Same as the bleach. So you have to find out yourself, you know. You don't have to use the bleach. I know bleach will help clean, but you can find the alternatives to not to harm your health, your nose, your lungs, your body. Okay? Always use, I recommend to use some plant-based products because, you know, pardon my cleaning. Okay, we'll just clean. Pardon who watches this while eating, but this is what I do. I was just showing it to you how I clean my bathroom and using my household cleaner. Okay, and use the gloves, or if you don't have the gloves, use the grocery bag to save some money. Okay, I use my grocery bag on everything. I will not return to the store, but I use it to use how to clean or use some garbage bag. So I don't have to buy garbage bag just for garbage. Okay? So this pad really works very helpful. Really works fine. This is I've been using for. It really does clean. Plus my bathroom smells good and it doesn't hurt my nose, it doesn't hurt my lungs. So it smells like ginger and cinnamon and lemon, you guys. So I use my hand to scrub my toilet bowl, you guys, because I feel like it's clean when I'm using my scrubbing hands. Of course, I have to use gloves, but that's just only water, you know. Alright, that's it. Easy busy and doesn't hurt my nose. And it does the works. Same as the one that you're using, the chemicals that you're using. But the only thing different is it doesn't hurt my nose, my lungs, and it's really good for you to inhale. Not unless otherwise it smells bad when you're using the bleach or the chemicals, the cleaner that you have. Alright, that's it. Alright, that is my tip of the day. Purification and household cleaner using my gloves or my grocery bag. Alright, I hope you learned something and make your bathroom smells good without the harmful chemicals. You don't need those harmful chemicals that it causes cancer and it causes anything in the future. Alright, bye bye. Thank you for watching.